Look the question. 4 minus 6 is minus 2 times 6 minus 4 is 2. Minus 2 times 2, it will be equal to minus 4, which is answer, which is wrong. Now, question is 4 minus 6 times 6 minus 4. Look, the order of operation. DMAS or PEMDAS or BODMAS. Minus multiplication and again minus. So, first term is of multiplication. So multiplication will be carried out first. 4 as it is minus 6 times 6 will be equal to minus 36 and minus 4. Now you can see that it is a single term of addition and subtraction. So 4 and 4 minus 36 because we have to move from left to right. So 4 minus 36 is minus 32 minus 4. Now minus 32 minus 4 will be equal to minus 36, which will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video.